If you ever wanted to create an organic surface pattern using a gradient mesh in Adobe Illustrator, but couldn't quite work out how to make it seamlessly repeatable, or if you never thought about doing so, but like the idea and the look of these kind of patterns, then this class is for you. I'm Zhenya from Attitude Creative, and I love pushing the boundaries of Adobe Illustrator's tools for creating gradient designs, and I'm a huge fan of abstract artworks and patterns, and I teach a few popular classes on these subjects. And in this class, I'm excited to share with you a technique for creating seamlessly repeatable patterns using distorted gradient meshes in Adobe Illustrator. I will step-by-step walk you through the process of setting up and manipulating gradient meshes to ensure seamless repetition, and then show you how to create regular grid repeats as well as half drop and half break patterns in Adobe Illustrator. To follow along with this class, you will need a desktop version of Adobe Illustrator and ideally have some experience of working with gradient meshes. I cannot wait to share with you this surface pattern design technique and see how you integrate these sort of patterns into your project. So join me in this class and let's make something awesome!